Welcome back to another episode of Proforma Family Cooking. I'm Chef D, and with me today are
Tim Nail, my wife Stacy,
and Nate Bikker. I'm a business analyst here at Proforma.
So we got all the support center people here today. Thank you guys coming in and chefing it up with me. Nathan had submitted a recipe for Chicken Piccata. Tell us why you submitted this recipe.
Yeah, of course. So I submitted this recipe because it was the very first meal that I learned how to cook. My mother taught me how to cook it in high school. And ever since then, I got in love with cooking. And it's my favorite meal because it reminds me of her and just reminds me of home. So
that's the best.
It's a great meal.
There's not many things that get nostalgic like cooking, you know?
And what I'm doing right now, you just want to coat the chicken with some flour, and then you want to give it a little bath in some egg, and then you want to do the same thing with the flour, but in breadcrumbs next.
We have some olive oil and butter heated up in our pan. So we're gonna get this in our oil. Always lay it away from you, right? You don't want it splashing back at us. All right, with our cutlets.
Beautiful.
Looks delicious.
Oh yeah. All right, Chef Stacy, if you'd like to add the white wine.
Absolutely.
You're good, go for it, Chef. Yeah, there we go. Let that cook a little bit. Gotta cook the alcohol off. And then we're gonna add, what am I doing? I'm taking your job away.
That's
We
all
got
right,
our
that's
fresh
all right.
squeezed lemon juice. Fresh squeezed, of course. And then we'll add our capers with the
With
juice.
the juice.
That should be good. Now the pepper, we can go a little heavier. Yeah. All right. So we're gonna add our chicken back in now. Oh yeah. I'll let that simmer and coat both sides of it. Making Mom proud. Is this how she did it?
She would love it.
You
That
said in
looks
high school
amazing.
she taught you that?
Yeah, I was in 10th grade, 16 years old. It's
There you
actually
go.
for a date, you know. I needed to cook some food for my Valentine's Day date.
Oh,
love
that's
it.
classy,
That's
man.
fun.
great.
I
I was
did pretty
just-
good for a 16-year-old, I'll say.
I was cooking at that age because I was hungry. I wasn't a girl.
Set the bar a little too high, though. Cheers.
Cheers to all you guys. Thanks
Cheers.
for coming, chefing it up with me. Ladies first.
It looks delicious.
All right, thank you.
So good.
All right.
That's really good.
Mm-hmm.
I thought you couldn't make cutlets better. There you go.
Pepperoni was amazing.
Good
The sauce
recipe.
is great.
Mom approved, chef approved, man. Mom
Absolutely.
knows what's up. That was
She does.
really good, man.
Absolutely.
Really good. Well, thank you for this great recipe, Nathan. Appreciate you coming in. Appreciate you guys coming and chefing it
Absolutely.
up
Thanks
with
for
us, too.
having us.
And until next time, don't forget to chef it up.